Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Zandt County in north-central Texas, Henderson County in central Texas, northern Anderson County in central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Athens, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Athens, Chandler, Blackhawk, Frankston, Brownsboro, Berryville, Edam, Coffee City, Murchison, Pointer, and Moore Station. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. You are listening to NOAA. All hazards.